Wait. Before I greet, I just need to do something. Ooh. Okay, let me retry. Oops. Now, okay, hello internet, this is me again, Carlo Gino, your copy-paste engineer slash developer, and today will be the day 56 of my 100 days of code challenge. Yesterday, according to this logs, I finished the CRUD operations for certifications and rename memes to photos to make it more generic. And today I will start with this fixing of media query variables. Yeah. So how can I test it? And what was the problem again? I forgot. Okay, I'll enable my timer. Where's my timer? Oh, it's right in front of my screen. I'll enable it and going to the most to the easiest to visit this profile component. I'll create another component where I can test my the responsiveness. Where is it again? Profile component here. I'll create here a div and with a class test responsiveness testing, and in the class test responsiveness I will add a background color of red. It doesn't have any background color. Test responsiveness. Test responsiveness. I guess that's correct. So why the heck it is not applying? Oh, hello, my man Lucas. You said I was confused why you are streaming about 1. Is it? Yeah, 1 p.m. But this morning I understood. Oh, God bless you. I'm not sure either. I'm just trying to stream at around 8 p.m. SGD time. I don't know what's the counter. Is it APAC? Yeah, Manila time. Yeah, it's 8 p.m. here. Anyway, I'm trying to check why my background color is not working. It should work. Background color. Let's add a height of 2 rem and width of 50 rem. Oh, it's not applying. Maybe there's a typo. Oh, there's a typo. Oh, there's no S. Responsiveness. Waiting for it to recompile. Oh, still not working. Oh, what's wrong here with responsiveness? Okay, whatever, it's the correct spelling. It's just a test. Okay, now I'm getting this. Let me remove that width. Maybe change this to 3 rem. What I'm trying to do now is to check why my media query is not working properly. So if I have an XS device, it should be blue. And for other cases, I'll just change the color green and I don't know, maybe yellow. So since I'm at full screen, I'm getting the largest, which is the yellow. I can make this LG to have a more explicit media query for large device. And what color? Orange. Oh, it's not orange. It's not working. Maybe it's not supported variables. My minimum width is 120 rem, but what is its size? It's XL, then LG. What? I have XL and LG. What color? Okay, blue violet. It's green. Oh, it's stuck at yellow. At MD device. And why is that so? My screen width is, if I'm not mistaken, okay, this one, 1108. 110. I think this should still be here. Maybe I need to adjust this to mean device width. I'm just guessing. My friend Lucas, can you help me here? Or if you can't respond me, I'll just Google. It's regarding to the responsiveness. Oh, now I'm getting the violet, but will I have a different color? Oh, unfortunately, it's violet all the way. Mean device width. What if I make it all the same for all? What is the difference between mean device width versus mean width? It's a 2015 article, but I guess it's still relevant. Far too often, I see people don't quite understand the difference between width and device width. Yep, including me. And expanding upon that, other examples such as mean device width and max device width. When using CSS media queries, this misunderstanding results in poor code and ultimately more work for the developer. Okay. I've seen this question quite often over the site point or forums, so I felt like it was time to give some further explanations. I'll be touching on this, along with expanding on which options you should be using when building your responsive websites. Blah 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 blah. Getting started here. Content meet with device width. Screen. I guess I have this only. What if I remove this? Change it back. Okay. Why I still like this? It's blue, it's red, but I'm expecting the blue should be during this point, this 320 in here. So I guess I have an invalid stuff going on in here. Yeah, I'm expecting this to work here. What if I hard code this? It's still not blue. I need to understand how this works. What the heck? But anyway, I guess this is my variables are working, because if I make this 45, so blue and green, yeah. But the problem is I can only get to yellow. What if I scale it more? Yep, it's going to the purple. But am I seeing orange here? I'm not seeing any orange. Yep, I'm not seeing any orange here. And this LG device is as good as useless. LG device, min with 90 RAM. I guess yeah, I'm doing it the wrong way. By the way, I'm trying to create a mobile first approach. Do I need this one? If I'm not mistaken, I already added this tag in the index. Is there any difference? No difference aside from the spaces. Hey guys, can you help me out here? Desktop. This is a desktop first approach, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, I was going to read it. What's the difference? Getting all the websites to become responsive and adhere to major queries, the viewport must be placed in the head section of your web page. Once we have this snippet in our code, if we view the page with different devices, the different major queries will be able to have the correct effect. Without this, viewing the page in the specific device would basically just display a zoomed out version of your page. It would be attempting to cram your entire website into 320 wide pixel display. Not good for you or your user. A user don't like having to zoom to view your websites. Oh, hello, Juventud. Yeah, I'm just reading here some stuff. For example, let's take an iPhone 4 which has 980 with default viewport. Without the meta tag in your place, your attempt at major queries would go horribly wrong and it would incorrectly reference the default viewport. Blah 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 blah. This is usually accomplished by a simple max width major query without the meta. I want the difference between width and max width. Hello, Lods. I'm just reading here some stuff about media queries. Even me, I don't know this. I know the basic concept, but I forgot the practical usage of both. Why choose device width? I'll be honest from the get-go and let you know that this article is headed toward not using device width. Device width does have its place. If you intend on targeting specific device, yeah. So now I remember now. That's why I always use max width. From blah 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 blah. In my opinion, along with many other citizen developers, that having a fully responsive page that behaves as expected throughout all possible screen sizes is the easiest and most beneficial way to go about getting the most effective layouts. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, I'm using it correctly, and just basing on my code, it should work. The main width, okay, if I remove this screen, what will happen? Green. Yeah, it's still the same. What if I add a new condition here? And max width of it should apply for max width of, let's say, 43 rem. It's just a random value. I simply reduced by 2 rem. Still not applying. Okay, what if I add more here? And this one will be 75 rem. If this is still not working, I'll try to use pixels here. That's okay. Please work. It's still red here. I'm expecting that for this size, this should be blue. How can I make this work? I hope I will not spend too much time in it. Okay, actually I forgot to reference it to the variable. I was changing it all the time, but okay, it's still the same, unfortunately. Oh, it's quite different now. It's changing in the 400 breaking point. The breaking point is 430. It's breaking at 400, but I defined it RAM. Okay, let me try to make this 450 pixels. Will it work? It's still breaking on 400. This XS is only working for 400. Why is that so? And I guess I can remove this. I'll try to convert all of this to pixels. I should not be seeing here blue Sorry, I should not be seeing here a red. Main device width and max device width. It's recompiling. No luck. And worse, the blue is not applying. But I guess this is much better than before. Oh, but still I'm not getting the orange LG device. Oh, I have two LG device. My bad. Should be XL. Orange. This is much better than before. XS green, orange, violet. I can remove this if I'm not mistaken. What if I reduce it more, like 390? Still breaking at 400. What if I make this 350? It doesn't make sense. I'll search for the usage of media. Media. Or the XS device. This is really weird. I can't understand why is it like this. Okay, I zoomed. Okay, now we're getting the blue. Oh, I see, it's not working because I'm zoomed in. Okay, that's great. So I spent a lot of time just for that. So this should be 449. I just subtracted a 1. But still, oh, now it become 320, which is my expectation. And once it go to a different size, oh, I have a breaking change here, breaking UI change. Okay, now it's working. I guess I need to simplify the usage. Instead of doing this, I will create a function that might look like this. I'd include media responsive, and then we'll take a string And in here, I will do the appropriate action. Let me try doing that. Though it's already self-explanatory, do I really need to do that? I guess I need. Oh, maybe no, not now. This is like self-explanatory for those, of course, who can read CSS. So I guess I can move it back to the rem, but I guess I'll leave it this way. I'll remove this testing component. Update media query variables. What can I do next? Oh, there's something here that I need to improve the resume page. Okay, let me check if the person I contacted replied. Oh, not yet. Because I'm planning to copy his website. I mean, just for the resume part. So here, Chris Lane Jones. I find his resume very interesting. It looks like really a resume page, so that's why I want to copy this one. And so when I go here, this thing will look like that. But of course, I need a permission. Though, of course, I think I really don't, but I just want his consent. Anyway, since I'm still waiting for that, what can I do here? Okay, I guess in the blogs, where's the blogs? This one. Add collection of tags to filter blogs. What I mean by that is if I go to the blogs page, there should be something here that will have all of the blogs collection. So let me try to implement that. In the blogs module. Okay, I'm in the wrong branch, so let me push this first. Oh, I already spent 30 minutes just for that media query, and I only have few changes. GitHub. Okay, I guess I will not merge these changes, but instead create a new branch based here. I will base my change on this UI resume UI improvement or not. Okay, I'll push it. Even though I have an incorrect branch, and that's not good, of course. I will delete this and recreate later. What's my feature blogs filter? git pull, sorry, git check out feature blogs filter. Oh, I forgot the music. That's why it's getting too sleepy. Okay, there's some music. Going back, I need to go to the blogs list, and I need to have here a blog filter. We'll create the component using NX. Okay, while waiting for that to load. It's been I think a week, and I'm not getting the static noise, so I hope that yeah, if that's the case, then I can stop listening to my own voice, because it's quite disturbing. Component, that component will live here under the blogs. pages/blog/blog filter, or maybe it's not a blog filter but instead a tag filter. This is, how can I name this better? Maybe tag filter is okay, but what I want here is MS Paint. I'm opening MS Paint. It is like those things that I'm seeing in the internet, where there's a small circle and a bigger circle for larger categories, and if if it contains too many entries, then it will have that, so the fill will be I don't know, this. What the heck? Okay, anyway, I think you get the point. And there will be some text here that's saying that whatever category, and if I click on this, on this black circle, all of those black circle categories will be selected. So that's the feature I'm trying to add here. I don't know how to name this properly. What might be a good name for this? Okay, tag filter should be enough. I can always rename it if I need to. Export, that's okay. If I hit run, then it will be added automatically. Oh, hello to the Twitch viewer and also to the Facebook viewer. How are you? Okay, now I have I created the blog. Oh, did I already create it? One way is to refresh this. Yep, it's already created. So here, let me simply just put this in the leftmost. Okay, and here, wait. Full blog list, in the blog list. Okay, in here, what's the name again? Tag filter. I'm expecting that this tag filter will show. Where are you? Here. Tag filter works. Yep, but it's in here. I'm expecting this to be displayed side by side. How can I do this? Okay, I'll put this in this view so I can still see the logs. What I want here is, okay, I can there's two easy way. One is to use the grid layout and one is to use the flex layout. So I'll use the flex layout for now because that's the layout I'm most comfortable. And of course, I might need to create here another wrapper. So what wrapper? Okay, this will be a section. And that. And what I will do here is to create. Okay, I'll create a class. Okay, I was going to create a style of class. This is a blogs wrapper. So how can I blogs container? What the heck container? I'll just call it that. I should study the art of naming variables. Container display flex flex direction row. I'm explicitly doing this because for a responsive view, this should flow vertically. But for now, I want this to flow horizontally. Flex direction row and what else? Okay, I'll simply save this for now, just to check if this will go this way. Yep, it's in here. But still, I need this to be centered, like this one. Align item center. Can I make this align? Okay, I'll do it in the view. I guess that it needs to have an explicit size. Width will be hard-coded 30 rem. And height, let's put the height of 40 rem, 50 rem, and background border 1 px solid black. Oh, that's weird. Oh, okay, my bad. It's supposed to be applied here, of course, but of course it will not be applied. I need to wrap this, or of course the thing that I added should be added here instead. Now we're getting this view. Okay, what I need is to center this. Not really center, but this block should be almost looks like it's getting centered. So one way to do that is, since I have here a fixed width, I can, where do I have that display? Again, display flex here. Flex direction row, justify content flex end. Yep. So it's not really centered, but you know, it's like a hackish version of centered because of this width. Though if I decrease the size, it will look weird. So what I will do here next is to make this flow at the bottommost, or maybe create some hamburger menu. But anyway, I'll focus first on creating this feature. This should work fine, even though, oh, for a large device, it's not looking fine. Okay. One trick that I can do here is, I guess that I can retain the centering of this. Okay, let me try to center that. I thought it will look great even for a large device, but obviously it's not. So I'll go here. Okay, I'll put this in another window. Flex and row. Okay, align, justify content center. But this needs to be stuck here. So what I can do is select that position absolute. Okay, the problem here is that I need a relative. Okay, this will be a position relative. Okay, this one I need the one with the border to move to the to the rightmost, sorry. Okay. Position absolute right 0. Yep. Maybe not right 0, but 2%. Okay. Okay, I'll do the responsive layout later. But with this view, let us check if this will still work for different screen sizes. Okay, now it's bad. So now I think that I should still do my other approach. Should not be absolute. Okay, I'll reset this, and I will use media query to update this later. As I mentioned, I'll try to focus on the feature. Justify content center. Oh, I only have 30 minutes, but of course this can still be implemented. In here, I want to get all of the tags and the count, but how can I do that? Let me define here an interface or a type, an export interface. I guess I don't need to export, or do I need? Okay, I'll export it and unexport just in case I don't really need it. Tag counter, which will have export interface. What's wrong here? Interface tag counter, which will have a count of type number and tag name of type string. In here, I should receive a list of that at input. Input tags, which is of type tag counter. If it's empty, then I'll just have that. Oh, what's this? Undefined is missing the following properties. Hey, but I already. What's wrong with you? But what the heck? Oh, okay, my bad. This should be an array. And I will simply list that for now. Div okay, I'll guess ng container ng4 and tag of tags. I will simply display a paragraph here. Tag name, tag that, tag name, and tag count. I guess this is redundant because I'm already in the tag counter, so it will make sense that I guess that a username is self-explanatory enough. Now let us check if this will work. Of course, there's nothing to display. So if I need to display something there, I need to pass tags, and I will create a tag list. Observable, and then async. I will create here an observable of that. I'll make this a getter for now. Tag list, return that, but this needs to be an observable of tag list. Tag counter, my bad. If I add off here, I guess this should work now. Oh, what's wrong? Okay, my bad again. Of course, that won't show anything unless I put something in here. Oh, wait. There should be something here. Count. Okay. I'm getting here. That. Okay. Now it's time to make this dynamic. Return this dot blogs that it's an observable, so I need to map to pipe, then map blogs return blogs that reduce ACC and current, and I need to pass here an empty object to start. Okay, now it's time to add some logic. How can I reduce the categories here? First, I need to define. Is there a type already? Yep, there's a type. And there's a I need to define here a type so it will be easier. ACC will be a tag counter array. So if const x is current tag existing, oh no, this should be a existing current tag is equals to ACC that find tag that name is equals to cur that okay, so the tags here are also a list. so I need to add another for loop here. So cur dot for each. Do I need to reduce it? Okay, I'll need to use for each here. Why is this not working? Cur that tags that. Why is not for each? Yep. For each tag, I need to put it here. An existing tag. How can I name this properly? Okay, I'll put an underscore for now. Cur, this should be tag. If this is existing, what is a better logic here? If existing current tag, what it will do is, if it's existing, then what I will do is to return. No. Okay, I will create here in the for each in this line I will create a new list, or maybe not. What should I do here? I only have 8 minutes. I hope I still can do this. Cur. Okay, let me add a comment here. What are the steps? First, I need to check if category is already existing. If true, add the counter. If false, create a new entry. So that's it. But since these tags will be a list, so loop each category loop tags check if tag is already existing. True, add to the count. Increment the counter with counter value equal to 1. Okay. Instead of using a for each here, I will use a for loop, because I need to to have an explicit return. Current that tags that length. Element, or I can call this tag, or maybe not. Yeah, I can call this tag. So loop each. So if ACC that counts existing tag is equals to ACC that find tag that name is equals to tag if existing tag increment the count, or I will reverse it for now. If this is not existing, then I will simply return. No, I should not return immediately because I need to process other tags. So what I will do is to ACC.push name will be the tag. Sorry. Yeah, the tag, and the count will be 1. Let me check if this will work. Oh wait, I forgot to return here the ACC. Yep, we're getting here the tags, but for it's not being updated. It's not yet handling if the tags is existing already. So else, how can I do this? Existing tag that count is equals to, will this work? I'm not seeing any changes. I don't know if this is because there is no common tag. So if I update this tag, test, what happened? Oh, I'm unauthorized. I need to update the message for that. So now I'm getting all of the list. So I'll try to publish this. Okay, this draft one, and add here that test. Oh, this is weird. Now we should. Oh, okay. Now we're getting this the tag counter increments. And just in case I add more, okay, unpublish, okay, this one, okay, this one. Now I'm getting here 3. Okay, but instead of displaying this text, what I want is like a circle. Okay, how can I add that? Okay, since I only have 1 minute, I'll push it for now. Created blog filtering. But let me quickly add here a circle instead. So I will add a style. How can I have a dynamic style? I forgot. Angular dynamic style. Not that. I'm looking for the... Okay, this one. I'm looking for this. And I will add the compute with. Okay, time's up. But I want to quickly show that if this will work. Tag that count plus pixels. Okay, maybe rem. Or can I make this rem? Guess it's not working. Or height. Nothing changed. Okay, I think it's working now. I just need to have a better multiplier. Yep. Yeah, I guess a better multiplier will be good. So, okay, I'll end the video now. So, thank you guys for watching. And again, this is the day 56 of my 100 Days of Code challenge. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, share, follow. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.